BFT Deimos control board dip switch settings explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to Autodoor Surgeon. Today I will explain BFT Deimos control board dip switch settings. This video is very important for sliding gate installers, technicians, and beginners. Many people ask, what happens when dip switch is on? What happens when dip switch is off? So today I will explain each dip switch one by one in very easy English. Safety message. Before doing any wiring or dip switch setting, always switch off the main power. Safety first. What is dip switch? Dip switches are small switches on the control board. They change the logic and behavior of the gate. On and off position means different gate operation. Now let's understand them. Dip 1. Transmitter programming. If dip 1 is on, you can add new remote controls wirelessly. No need to open the control board. Very useful for quick remote programming. If dip 1 is off, wireless remote programming is disabled. Remotes can be added only from control board. Recommendation. Keep on if customer needs easy remote adding. Have dip 2, bar 8.2K safety input. If dip 2 is on, bar input works with 8.2 kilo ohm safety edge. When safety edge is activated, gate reverses for 2 seconds. If dip 2 is off, bar input works as normal NC safety edge. Gate still reverses for 2 seconds. On equals 8K2 safety, off equals normal safety. Dip 3, photocell input check. If dip 3 is on, control board checks photocells before moving. If photocell is faulty, gate will not operate. If dip 3 is off, no photocell checking. Gate moves even if photocell has problem. Always recommend on for safety. Dip 4, safety edge input check. If dip 4 is on, control board checks safety edge input. If safety edge is faulty, gate will not move. If dip 4 is off, no safety edge checking. ON equals higher safety level. Dip 5, photocells during closing. If dip 5 is on, during opening, photocell is ignored. During closing, if beam breaks, gate reverses immediately. If dip 5 is off, photocell works during opening and closing. Gate reverses after beam is cleared. Common sliding gate setting is on. Dip 6, fast closing. If dip 6 is on, gate closes 3 seconds after photocell clears. No waiting for auto close timer. If dip 6 is off, gate waits for normal auto close time. On equals faster operation. Dip 7, block start during opening. If dip 7 is on, start button does nothing during opening. Prevents accidental stop. If dip 7 is off, start button can stop gate while opening. On gives smooth movement. Dip 8 3-step 4-step logic. If dip 8 is on, 3-step logic, gate closed opens, gate open closes, during closing start reverses. If dip 8 is off, 4-step logic, closed opens, open stops, stop closes. Residential 4-step, industrial 3-step. Residential apartment mode. If dip is on, apartment mode, start button always opens gate. Safer for buildings with many users. If dip is off, residential mode, normal open stop close operation. Final tip, always remember, dip switch setting depends on site requirement and safety. There is no single setting for all gates. This video helps you, like the video, subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon, comment your questions below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.